Have you wondered how to copy a filter in Make automation workflow? Copying filters is currently not natively supported by the Make scenario editor. If I right click here, there is no copy filter button. But we have a solution if you use Google Chrome web browser. Let us see how to do it. Links are provided in the description. First, we need to install Make or Integromat DevTool Chrome extension. Open Google web browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Here you see we have Chrome Web Store here. Click this link. Then search for Integromat DevTool extension here. You see this is the Integromat DevTool. Click on this one. Once you see Integromat DevTool, click on that one. Then click this Add to Chrome button. Then confirm the addition of extension by clicking this Add Extension. You can see here the extension has been added. Now go to your Make and open the scenario that has filter to be copied. Here I am selecting this scenario. Now this scenario has this filter that I want to copy into this location. Now in Chrome, open the developer tools. You can do so either by choosing the developer tools by clicking this three dots here and then clicking on this more tools and then selecting this developer tools. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl Shift I or function key and F12. I'm clicking here. You can see the developer console has opened here. Sometimes it may open in the top section. For that, what you need to do is to dock the console in the bottom portion so that you will be able to work with your Make modules easily. To change the docking position of the developer tools, you can click on these three dots and then change this position. Right now it is selected dock to bottom, which is more convenient for us. Then click on this Integromat tab. On the left side, you see different options. Click on the tools menu option. Now you can see various tools that are available for you. Then click on this copy filter icon. Then we need to configure the copy filter on the right hand side. Scroll down. This is the source module. We need to enter the module or the ID of the module from which you want to copy the filter values. You can see the message is saying this will copy the filters that's on the left side of the selected module. We want to copy this filter values to this position. So click on this one. Here we want to copy the filter that is on the left side of search rows, which is this one. Our module ID is 2. Select that one. Now we need to specify the target module. You see the message here. This will paste the filter to the left side of the selected module. So we want to select this module. So click this drop down button here and then click this update a row, which is module ID 5. We have another preserve fallback route setting option here. If you enable this one and the source filter is set as the fallback route, then the target filter will also be set as the fallback route. Now click the run button here. You can see the filter has been copied successfully. Bye until next video.